right, good morning. It's Eric from creditwit.com, powered by Better Qualified. And as you can see, I'm at the beach this morning. Very nice day. And while I was riding down here, I got a question from one of our users at creditwit.com. And the question goes, I got a call from a collection company. They told me if I pay the collection, they're going to give me a letter that will state it was paid and that it will be deleted. So delete for payment. Is that possible? So here's a little quick synopsis on the collection companies. They're going to tell you whatever they can to make it so that you pay the collection. Most of the collections they bought have been charged off. Most of the collections they've bought for 20 cents, maybe 10 cents on the dollar. So all they want to do is collect somewhat of your bill or your collection or your charge off. So they're going to kind of tell you whatever you need to hear to make the payment. But a paid for delete letter is illegal. They can't do it. They might have been able to do it 10 years, 15 years ago, where you see some of these things online where people claim that they can do it. It's not the case. It doesn't happen. For a collection company to say that and actually produce it, it's against the law for them. They can lose their ability to not only buy debt, but also their ability to report to the CRAs, which they don't want to do. They're out of the game. So all of that paid for delete stuff you've heard or seen online is a bunch of hooey. Anyway, back to my nice beach day and answering another question. Keep them coming. We love it. Creditwit.com, again, powered by Better Qualified. See you soon.